planning team calls to just do a team call is not going to grow your business. You need to recruit a new person, get them to post, get them to go live, get them to let you come to their home and host a house party, and then get the people in that room to post, go live, and let you come into their home. This process on repeat is what is going to give you the life of people that want to come to a team call. But doing a team call with the same people that are not motivated and are not energized are just going to suck and drain the life out of you. You might as well not even do the team call until you get the one person to post and go live and let you come into their home. Rinse, wash, repeat. This is what builds teams. This is what necessitates a team call. Go out there and create the momentum yourself. Build the team you want to be on, and you will be unstoppable in network marketing.